Hey guys, this is Stan the Russian here at Toyota of Turnersville. Today I'm gonna show you how to use your vacuum cleaner in 2025 Toyota Sienna Platinum. Once you unpack it, you see that it comes with a hose and 3 cleaning heads. It is for dry use only. It is very easy to use. You open the cover, put the thicker side in and twist it. Then you attach desired cleaning head on, press on vac, and you are good to go. Once done vacuuming, simply twist it left to remove. Then remove excess panel and pull the handle to take off the dustbin. Open the lid and empty if necessary. Toyota recommends checking or changing the filters after every 10 uses. Thank you for watching and have a great day.